Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Ferguson. Today, we will be working on Skills, Unit 7, Lesson 3. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to segment 5 sounds in a single syllable word, provide the sound and letter name for each letter, read the tricky word down, and read and spell words with the ch and sh sound. Let's warm up. Sing our letters and sound song. Click the YouTube link below, sing our letters and sound songs, and come back to finish up this lesson. Time to review. Let's review all of the letters and sounds that we've learned so far this year. Say them with me. I says I. A says a. B says b. D says d. R says M says N says n. V says v. W says w. X says x. O says a. U says a. P says p. S says s. Y says y. T says t. C says k. E says e. F says f. J says j. Z says z. K says k. L says o. G says g. H says h. CH says ch. SH says shh. Excellent job, boys and girls. Keep up the good work. Now it's time to practice segmenting. To segment, we are going to break words apart by saying each sound in the words. Then we're going to blend them back together again. Let's start with our first word, skips. Hold up your hand. There are 5 sounds in skips. S, k, I, p, s, skips. Let's try segmenting these words. This word has 4 sounds. Cloth. K, o, a, th, cloth. This word has 4 sounds. Sling. S, o, I, ng, sling. This word has 4 sounds. Pride. P, I, d, pride. This word has 4 sounds. Camp. K, a, p, camp. This word has 5 sounds. Hands. H, a, n, d, z, hands. This word has 5 sounds. Frost. F, a, s, t, frost. This word has 5 sounds. Drips. D, I, p, s, drips. Nice job, everyone. Now it's time for us to review our tricky words. Say the words with me. 1, 2, 3, the, A, blue, yellow, look, I, are, little. Here's our new tricky word. How would you sound out this word? You may try to sound it out as d, a, w, n. But that's not how we say that word. We pronounce it down, as in, I walk down the stairs. The first sound, d, which is the letter D, is pronounced just as we would expect it to, d. The last sound, n, is pronounced just as we would expect it to. Here's the tricky part. The O and the W make up the tricky part of the word. These two letters work together to say ow. Ow. So when you're reading down, you have to remember to pronounce the OW as ow. When writing down, you have to remember to spell OW in the middle when you're writing down. Down. For example, I look down at my shoe. Down. Turn and talk to someone that's next to you and try to use the word down in a sentence. Excellent. I know you came up with some great sentences. Now it's time to look at our picture reader. This word is not a tricky word. You can sound out these sounds and blend them together to read the word. Let's blend these sounds together to read the word. P, up. This word says up. Let's read these sentences. Remember, a sentence always starts with an uppercase letter and it ends in a punctuation, like a period. Point under each word or picture as you read. The sun is up. The moon is up. The big balloon is up. I look up at the big cloud. I look up at the little stars. I look up at the big airplane. I look up at the little butterfly. Here's our tricky word. Do you remember what our new tricky word is? That's right, down. The OW is pronounced as ow. Down. Let's read. I can walk down the sidewalk. I can walk down the big hill. I can jump up and down. I can walk up and down the sidewalk. I can look up at the sun and down the hill. Now it's your turn to practice writing the words up and down. So I need you to get a piece of paper and a pencil. Read the sentences. Number 1, the big balloon is blank. Our word box is up there and tells us what to write. So what I want you to do is practice writing the word up on your piece of paper. Do the same for number 2 and 3. Now, I would like for you to do the same thing. Number 1, I can jump blank and blank. Use the word box to figure out which words go on each line. And I want you to write down your answers on the piece of paper. Do the same for number 2. And number 3. Great work, boys and girls. I am very proud of you. Nice reading and reading those tricky words.